is a crucial part of everyone's life, and today I'm going to try the MyGlam skincare range. So I will try all of their products which have some really cool ingredients and would like to share them with you. So if you'd like to know what are these products, then first subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. So the first step of skincare is cleansing, and for that we have two products. The first one is the MyGlam Hydrating Foam Cleanser with Water Bank technology. This particular product has some really good ingredients. So it is nourished with marine extracts, and it's supposed to help in maintain the hydration of your skin and cleaning it at the same time. And the second product is more on the affordable side. This particular one retails for 795 rupees, and the second product is the MyGlam Wipeout Germ Killing Face Wash. This product has aloe vera, cucumber and tea tree oil. So this one retails for 119 rupees, and I will be trying out this product today. So this one has like really good youthful sort of ingredients, and these are hydrating and cleaning at the same time. So first just wet your face and then apply this gently on your skin, and then you can lather this up product, and this gives a really nice medium sort of a lather, and it cleans your skin thoroughly. So since we are doing skincare for the colder winter months, I skipped toner this time and I jumped on to the serum. And for serum today I have the MyGlam 1% multi-peptide serum. This serum is quite good because it's enriched with certain really nice oils like marula oil and almond oil. So these oils are really beneficial for dry skin family, and during the colder months these are extremely important for moisturizing your skin. So I also like that the serum is quite fast absorbing. So as soon as you apply it, it will get easily soaked up in your skin, and also it gives a really nice glow to your skin. So it's a really good serum to apply before makeup as well. So you can use this both in the day and night time and prep your skin really well with this serum. So after we're done with serum, we move on to moisturizing our face. And for that I have the youthful hydrating moisturizing gel. This particular one is a really nice water based moisturizer. It gives an instant hydration boost to your skin, and it works really well on all skin types. This particular product has a really nice gel sort of a texture, and I really quite like that, it has a really good ingredients. So these are some marine minerals which are really beneficial for your skin, and this particular moisturizer will last you for a long time because you require a really little amount for your entire face, and it's fast absorbing. It gives a really nice quenching sort of a feeling to your skin, and I quite enjoy the luxurious packaging as well. The next product is this iridescent eye cream. This is from the MyGlam Glow range. This is the premium range from their skincare, and it has really nice pearly sort of a finish to this cream. The cream is instant absorbing, and it has rosehip oil and vitamin elixir. So it's really good for your under eye bags and lines which arise on your under eye region. And I would recommend this product to you all because it's really fast absorbing, and it's really essential to apply this before you apply concealer as well. Now moving on to the last product, we have some lip products. So the first is this MyGlam Lit pH Lip Balm. So the unique feature about this lip balm is that it instantly changes color based on the pH of your body, and it adapts to a really nice pinky sort of a tone, and it really looks good in pictures as well. And then you can also use MyGlam tint. So basically tints are really popular these days thanks to the Korean skincare, and tints look really nice and natural on our skin also. This particular one is a water-based tint and it gives a really nice pinky sort of a healthy glow to your skin. So you can try this tint on your cheeks and your lips as well.